now, and the clover's just in bloom. A cheerful bird song woke me up and chased me right out of my room. Sunshine beams through the leaves and branches, and the pines stand tall and proud. Dandelions dazzle and the nectar flows, and tiny forest critters shout out loud. The grass is green, the sky is blue, the brook is bound with friends, and so are you. We'll seize that day for endless play, picnic and party, that's our woodland way. Danger lurks, but we'll be fine. I've got your back, I'm lucky you got mine. Honeycomb and apple tree, there'll be plenty here for you and you and you and me.
Beware of bird flu!
Today's breaking news. The recent outbreak of bird flu in Grizzly Peaks County has residents in total panic. Locals are reminded to wash their hands and cook their poultry thoroughly before eating. The pathogen is transmitted through contact with infected birds. Pigeons, crows, hawks, owls, and other local birds. If you feel you might be infected, please see a doctor immediately.
Oh, that's serious. I'd better be careful. No telling what... Yeah, hello?
Where in the world is my wood?
Here's the thing. I was just on my way out to get it.
And then what? You were distracted by the phone!
Yes, exactly. I'm so sick of him. Sleep all day.
Roar!
Yeah, good roar.
I'm so frightened.
The pathogen is transmitted through contact with infected birds. Pigeons, crows, hawks, owls, and other local birds may be infected.
Bird flu!
Briar, why is Lagerbick running away like that? Oh. Oh, something's definitely wrong with him. Oh, wake up, little guy.
Maybe he will if you stop shaking him.
Come on, Hoo, please wake up.
Wait, hang on. Vic looked really frightened. We should find out what's going on.
Oh no, oh no, oh no, no, no,
Do not engage people who appear to have a fever or other symptoms, including vomiting and coughing. If you feel you might be infected, please see a
I've got
doctor
bird flu!
immediately.
What do I do? Oh, I know! A hot bath! There we go now. Oh no! The water! Why is this happening to me? What's going on? Get on, you stupid faucet! Give me water! Oh, this ain't good. I've got to get myself clean. It might be too cold, but it's better than bird flu. Come on, you can do this. Vicky is the man! It's cold. Oh, it's very cold. Is this a pharmacy?
Yes.
Oh, good. I need some medicine.
All out.
Say what? All out? How on earth am I supposed to cure this bird flu? Hey, wait! Don't you hang up! That does it! I'm calling customer service! No! Gotta stay warm. That's just perfect. Now I'm hungry. What is it you think you're doing? Can't you see I'm freezing? Oh no, it's getting worse. Gotta get up. Gotta find a doctor. This is ridiculous. All right, I'm coming! Gosh! What do you want? I'm sleeping!
What do you think I'm paying for?
No, the thing is, I'm really sick.
I don't care if you've got the black plague! Go out there and get my wand!
I really am sick! One of these days, I really am gonna quit.
Oh, did you hear that? Let's go.
Hey, you guys, way up!
All right now, just power through, Vicky. When you're done, you can go on home, have a nice bubble bath, and take a nap.
Yeah! We caught you red-handed.
Oh?
Put down the saw, Vic.
No, please, just stay back. Huh?
Oh, why did he stop moving?
Get that owl away from me!
Whoa.
I don't get it, Briar. Why would Vic consider Hulu a threat?
Probably because of bird flu.
Oh.
Huh? Where are you guys going? I don't have it.
Look, you sneezed just now. Explain that.
Yeah, I see your point. I couldn't find my way home last night, so I slept on a bench. It was cold, and I had a hard time getting to sleep. It was a long night. So you see, guys, that's how I caught a cold.
Oh, I see. Well, that does make me feel better. All right, we believe you.
Hey, I just got an excellent idea. How about we disguise ourselves as birds and scare Vic away?
Good idea. I think that'll work.
Uh-huh. Look at me, Tweet Tweet. I'm a beautiful bird. Oh, no.
Perfect. Let's get moving.
It's so cold. I need more clothes. That does it. I'll rest first, then finish tonight.
Brimble, you gotta walk like a bird.
I'm exhausted. This is just useless, Briar. I was all excited. I wanted to scare him, and now he's nowhere to be found.
We'll find him. Don't worry.
I'm too tired to walk. Even one more step.
Don't give up. Come on. We got this, Bramble.
Right.
Is that? Help me! Oh, a giant bird! Thank goodness I got out of there. Oh, there's another one. Well, gotta go.
Briar, don't forget about me!
Come on. Squawk, 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 squawk.
Oh, yeah. Dumb birds, nice try.
Oh?
Oh, that looks like it hurt.
Quick, help him up. I got this. All right, your turn to try.
Right. Why didn't it work? Wake up, Logger Vic, wake up! Hey, well, what if he sleeps forever?
That only happens to beauties. Vic is too ugly for that. Let's take him to the river.
Okay.
Vic is paranoid. Hoo-hoo sneezed because of a cold. Leave it to Vic to suspect bird flu.
What the heck is wrong with you? You throw freezing water on me in this cold weather? What are you trying to do, huh? Kill me? That's mean.
We were just trying to wake you up. Bramble, run! He's angry!
Get bears! Get
We're
back
sorry!
Achoo! 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 40 degrees. That's not good. I need to go to the hospital. I'd better hurry. No, before it's too late. Achoo! 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 Dr. Wilcoff, what is that? Achoo! Did I catch the dreaded bird flu?
I have your test results right here. Nothing but a common cold. All you need is rest.
Thank you. The common cold. That's great news, Doc.
Get off me!
I'm gonna be okay. Thanks for everything.
We get one every year.
In the forest there's only one thing I love more than anything. It's so irresistible. It's all that I need. Oh, the apples, berries, pears, bananas, or plums just can't compare. No, I'm a bear, so I need that wonderful glaze inside me. Oh, I can just taste that sticky taste of honey, warm in the grizzly heart within me. Nothing else in this whole world could quite compare. And I would eat you at every meal and snack time. Honey, oh, won't you please just be mine? You think that I'm out of my mind? I just